I can blast white girl music while I ride the motorbike now! Jamie needs to sharpen this, man. You guys are gonna be on my Instagram.
Close your eyes and open your mouth.
That's disgusting. This is my Senna ST1 and this is my motorbike helmet. And I'm gonna try and figure out how to install it. I'm gonna be completely honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Shocked. This is Turbo. Hi Turbo. There we go, I've now got my new Senna installed on my helmet.
You ain't got no backbone. I get